Hi, hello everyone.
Hi everyone, please like,
I'm with
subscribe.
my nephew.
Here, take it. Here you go. Here's the chocolate.
Thank you, Pranka, for subscribing. And
There,
hi,
take the.
Leo. How are you? Hola, hola. Buenos dias, aquí na Pilipinas. I have you have chocolate chips. Can you give some? No, they don't have exam on Monday.
Here,
Philippines. I'm with my nephew. He's eating donut.
Karen, here you go. Here's the chocolate donut. Here, take it. Take it. Take it.
Hi, Mono. Hi, Philip Morgan. Went to my hi Philip. I remember you from Sacramento, California. We just went to the tomb of my
Okay, take it. Take it. Hey, Karen, take it.
grandparents
Take
and
it.
father.
Take
We
it.
just
Here,
light
here.
candle
Eat.
and some flowers, and we clean the tomb.
Thank you.
How about you? How's your Halloween?
Too.
Buenas.
Here,
It's
take
night
it.
there,
This is yours.
Leo.
You can take it. This is yours
Yeah,
now.
buenos dias aquí na Pilipinas. It's quite hot
Karen,
here.
Here, Karen.
Very
Here you go.
caliente.
That's yours.
Na
That's yours.
Pilipinas, very hot.
This is your chocolate donut.
I will one of our beaches here in our
Karen,
town.
you want donut?
I will go live in there later. It's one of a
Hey,
nice.
Karen, do you want
see
donut?
some nice
Here, take
beaches
it.
there.
If you want, I will give you some.
It's the birthday of my uncle. We're celebrating there. We are invited to go there. I'm going to eat
Karen,
lechon.
you want it?
Hi, Pangka. Sorry, I already have lots of moderator.
Okay, I will respect them.
Maybe I ever my child will grow up. I'll give you some jacket. Caliente na Colombia.
Yes.
Very, very, very hot here. Very hot. I just finished. I went to the church earlier, and I took a bath very early, but still it's so hot in here.
Yes, in the Philippines.
Yeah, very hot.
But Karen is my best friend.
Yeah, you're so smart, doggy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Karen.
Thank you, Karen. I will give you some donut.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Karen.
Thank you, Miss Karen. I will give you some donut.
Yeah.
But I do not.
He loves going live with me, guys. He loves it.
But I will help my
He loves to show off. China is not too hot. Here, Karen's so hot. It's very hot. The sun is so hot.
China loves Philippines.
Is China already snowing?
Karen, let's play Rose Battle. Sure.
Really very hot.
Sure, dude, sure.
Na opisina, preo, Leocos.
I'm done.
Because we have air condition. Chene air condition. So, na opisina, preo gayot.
Sure, dude.
But here, in our Akina casa, no hay air condition.
Yes.
So, bien caliente gayod. No hay air condition, very hot.
Karen.
We're not Rico. We're not Rico, Leo. So, we have to.
Karen.
Hi, Joseph. How are you?
Karen, come here.
Yeah, Kyle is so handsome daw.
A really cozy place.
Muchas gracias, Leo, na complimente.
I'm a vegetarian. Any salad for me?
Yes, thank you. But I have.
No, he's handsome. He's not beautiful.
What?
He's my one and only nephew, guys. Doon na siya
Can
ganang
you-
game.
Can you watch